back to ultimate luxury cars. In this video, we are going to take an in-depth look at the 2026 Tesla Model Y as a refreshed version of Tesla's best-selling electric SUV, offering improved performance, better range, and smarter technology. It builds on the success of previous models with updated software, faster acceleration, and enhanced efficiency. Available in long-range and performance variants, the 2026 Model Y continues to be a top choice for drivers looking for an all-electric, high-tech, family-friendly vehicle with sporty driving dynamics. With competitive pricing and global availability, it remains a cornerstone of Tesla's lineup heading into the future. New design language. Project Juniper. Tesla has refreshed the Model Y's look with a sharper, more modern design, slimmer LED headlights and taillights for a cleaner, more aggressive lighting signature, redesigned front and rear bumpers, improving aerodynamics and visual appeal, full-width rear light bar inspired by the Cybertruck, new wheel options up to 21 inches, performance trim features Arachnid 2.0 forged wheels, gloss black trim replaces chrome, adding a sporty finish, carbon fiber rear spoiler, performance trim only, improved underbody and aerodynamic tweaks for better efficiency and quieter ride. Refined minimalist cabin. Tesla updates the cabin with both aesthetic and functional changes. Wraparound ambient lighting for a more premium, high-tech feel. Dashboard redesign that now blends into the door panels seamlessly. New, softer materials on touch surfaces. Dashboard, door trims, seats, acoustic glass on all windows for better sound insulation. Updated seats with improved support, ventilation, and bolstering, especially in performance trim. Rear 8-inch display for climate, media control, similar to Model 3 Highland. Return of physical stocks, like turn signals, addressing user feedback. Upgraded central display, 15.4-inch Ultra HD touchscreen with faster response and better UI. Premium audio, up to 15 speakers in higher trims. Wireless charging pads, USB-C ports, and Tesla's signature hidden storage spaces. Heated and ventilated seats in both rows. In performance or higher trims, hidden features includes regenerative braking adjustments. The 2026 Model Y now offers adjustable regenerative braking, allowing you to customize how aggressively the car slows down when you lift off the accelerator. In standard mode, you get maximum regen, ideal for one-pedal driving, while a softer mode is available for those transitioning from gas-powered vehicles. Tesla has upgraded the heat pump system for more efficient cabin and battery temperature regulation. This helps maintain range in extreme hot or cold climates, a key issue for EVs in the past. The Model Y continues to use Tesla Vision, a camera-based system for autopilot and full self-driving, completely removing radar and ultrasonic sensors. It relies on neural network AI to interpret visual data, reducing hardware complexity but increasing software dependency. FY Section S improved climate system with auto dog mode. Camp mode. Dog mode keeps the cabin temperature safe for pets and displays a message on the screen so passers-by know the dog is okay. Camp mode lets the car maintain airflow, temperature, and play media overnight, ideal for road trips and outdoor stays. New battery management software. Tesla's software now preconditions the battery more intelligently before reaching a supercharger, reducing charging time and wear on battery cells. Hidden compartments in the rear trunk and underfloor storage have been slightly expanded. A power lift gate with hands-free kick sensor is standard on most trims. The new Model Y uses ultra-wideband (UWB) tech for faster, more secure phone key operation, even working better when your phone is in a pocket or bag. Tesla introduced new premium color options for the 2026 Model Y like Stealth Gray, Ultra Red, Deep Blue Metallic 2.0. These new paints are multi-layered for depth and durability but come at an additional cost. Drive data logging, performance only. The performance trim features a built-in track mode data logger, which records driving metrics like G-force, lap times, and motor temperatures. You can export or view this data later for analysis, ideal for performance driving enthusiasts. Front and rear-facing cameras are now treated with a hydrophobic coating and may include micro-spray nozzles for automatic cleaning during wet or muddy conditions. Price in United States. Standard range RWD, starting at $44,990. Long range AWD, starting at $48,990. Performance AWD, starting at $61,630. These prices reflect the base configurations and may vary based on additional options and full self-driving (FSD) packages. In India, Model Y rear-wheel drive RWD, a superscript 159.89 lakh, ex-showroom. Model Y long-range rear-wheel drive, a superscript 167.89 lakh, ex-showroom. Full self-driving capability, a superscript 16,000,000. Optional add-on. These prices are significantly higher than in the US due to India's steep import duties, which can be up to 110%. In Pakistan, standard range, approximately PKR 30 million. Long range, approximately PKR 33 million. Performance, approximately PKR 35 million. These are ex-factory prices and may vary based on import duties, taxes, and dealer markups. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share and press the bell icon button.